Assalamualaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today I'm here with another great project that I want you all to know about. So let's begin and move to our website to know more about the project. But before we proceed, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and press the notification bell for upcoming and latest video. Thank you. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Sol Printer Ponzi token. Sol Printer is the ultimate passive income token on the Solana blockchain. You can earn Solana in every 60 minutes just by holding the token in your wallet. This is a community driven project with automatic Sol payouts with no staking or farming needed. It is a deflationary mechanics, continuous transaction increase reward value. So we are to the website of Sol Printer Ponzi token. The first thing we are going to see that you can earn Sol in every 60 minutes by holding the token, and this have ultimate passive income on Solana blockchain. And we are going to check the details of the token, that how does it works. The SPPP token transaction generate fees that are automatically distributed toward the all holders as Sol. In other words, we can say that the more transactions, the more you can earn. So we have the economics of this token, that they have 100% transaction tax that benefits the community, with 75% of fees go directly towards the holder, and passive rewards just by holding. They have 25% sports development, marketing and project growth. Payouts in every 60 minutes, no manual claiming required. 6% buy free and designed for sustainability and long-term rewards. So these are the economics of the project, and here we have how we can buy. We can buy this on Sol Sale. So this is based on the Sol Sale. We can buy this token from Sol Sale. Here we have the paper of Sol Sale. We can see that they have the introduction of Sol C, that they have an innovative blockchain project that built on a Solana network designed to provide automatic Sol payouts to its holders through a unique tokenomics model. The goal of the Sol Printer Ponzi is mentioned here. How does it works? We can see that we have the details of the project on this. You can go through this to be able to understand the Sol Ponzi easily. Then we have some more details of the project on website, why we hold this. So the 1 hour holding period is an essential anti-bot mechanism. It prevents sniper bots from making instant profits, ensuring a fair system that maximizes earning from long-term holders. Why we choose Sol Printer Ponzi? They have automatic Sol payouts with no staking or farming needed. It is deflationary mechanics, continuous transactions, increased reward value, and community-driven project focus on its maximizing holder benefit and building a strong Solana ecosystem. You can claim your Sol Printer Ponzi tokens now with our exclusive pre-sale, which is 9 days and 8 hours. So here we have the pre-sale countdown. You can join the pre-sale as well to be able to purchase the token, so you go through this. Next we have the social channels of the token. We can join them on Twitter, we can join them or Telegram to be able to understand more about the project. If you have any question, you can ask to the team by joining the Telegram group. And here we have the deck screener of the project, so you can go through the deck screener as well and you can purchase the token. So you can simply click on the token and then you will be able to purchase the token. And here we have some more details of the project, like if you want to buy and hold and earn Sol every hour, and you are ready to start earning passive with the Sol. So here we can purchase the token. We can simply click on this and then we will be able to understand. Here we have the Gempad app, which we can use to purchase the token as well. So we can see the details of the Gempad app as well. So here we can also check this and then we will be able to participate it. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.